Hi all my lovelies, today I'm going to teach you how to make a reverse mutton sleeve. It's like the regular mutton sleeve except the smaller part is at the top and the puff is at the bottom. Remember our illustration from before? So imagine this is your fabric. We're going to cut out our sleeve pattern depending on how you measure your arm, and it's going to only go over to your elbow. The puff sleeve is going to be from your elbow down to your wrist. As you see, it's 16 by 10, and the cuff will be 6 by 4 because you're going to fold it over. POF stands for place on fold, so all of these will be placed on the fold of stretch fabric. Now, as you see the drawing, your sleeve should come out looking just like this. So let's go into transferring our pattern over to the poster board, and our poster board will cut it out, and then we'll place that on our actual fabric and cut out all these pieces. Now we have our sleeve, our puff, and our cuff. The cuff, remember, you'll sew down that line and then you'll fold it over so it'll be smaller. This you're going to gather on both ends. You're going to gather at the top and you're going to gather at the bottom. Here, instead of machine sewing, I'm hand stitching it down to make a ruffle. And that way the gathers, I can adjust them as I go through it. So first I'm going to do the top and then show you how that looks. So it's adjustable, and I can make it as big or small as I want, top and bottom. Now let's attach it to the sleeve. Pin your sleeve to the ruffle as well as the cuff, after you do the cuff, of course. Now onto the serger. Cut that line and fold this onto itself. There's your wrist cuff. Perfect. And then you can serge down the edge or zigzag stitch. Now, as you can see, we're going to sew this all the way down and attach this to the cuff itself. Almost done. I put this inside the cuff, and now I'm just going to sew around it. And this is the final look. You got the cuff, the puff, and the sleeve, but let me try it on for you. As you can see, easy peasy, anyone can do this, just 3 pieces. So try it for yourself and message me and let me know how it turned out for you. Stay tuned for more tutorials and remember to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!